Have you ever wondered what secrets your car is hiding from you? You might think you know every button, every light, and every trick, but trust me, there's a whole hidden world inside your vehicle that most drivers never uncover. From little-known safety features to performance-enhancing hacks, these secrets can save you time, money, and even keep you out of danger. In this video, we're unveiling 19 car secrets that aren't in your manual, but could change the way you drive forever. Stick around because the tips only get better as we go along. Secret 1. The gas tank locator. Let's start with something simple but game-changing. Ever rented a car or borrowed a friend's and found yourself awkwardly pulling up to the wrong side of the pump? Here's the hack. Look at your fuel gauge. Next to the gas pump icon, there's a tiny arrow or triangle. That arrow points to the side of the car where your gas cap is. It's a small detail, but it's one of those things that makes you wonder, why didn't I notice this sooner? Secret 2. Road condition indicators. Modern cars are smarter than ever, and they're designed to keep you safe in ways you might not even realize. Take the snowflake warning light, for example. When the temperature drops low enough for ice to form, this light pops up on your dashboard. It's a subtle reminder to slow down and stay alert. And here's the kicker. The sensor that triggers this warning is located near the front bumper, away from the engine's heat, so it gives you an accurate reading. It's like having a co-pilot who's always looking out for you. Secret 3. Side mirror defrosters. But what about those mornings when your side mirrors are fogged up or covered in frost? That's where side mirror defrosters come in. Most cars have this feature, but it's often overlooked. Here's how it works. Instead of adjusting your mirrors, rotate the mirror control switch all the way down, and this activates the defrosters, which heat up the mirrors and clear away frost or fog in minutes. No more scraping or wiping. Just flip the switch and let your car do the work. Secret 4. The morning gas hack. And speaking of cold mornings, here's a fuel-saving hack you might not know. Fill up your gas tank in the morning. Gasoline is denser when it's cooler, which means you get slightly more fuel for your money. It's not a huge difference, but over time, it can add up. Plus, it's one of those little tricks that makes you feel like a pro. Secret 5. Starting your car with a dead key fob. Now, let's talk about something that saved me more than once. Starting your car with a dead key fob. If your remote's battery dies, don't panic. Most modern cars have a backup system that lets you start the engine even without a working battery. Just hold the key fob close to the start button, usually within an inch, and your car will recognize it. It's a lifesaver when you're in a hurry and don't have time to replace the battery. Secret 6. Adaptive cruise control. But what about those times when your car seems to have a mind of its own? That's where adaptive cruise control comes in. Unlike traditional cruise control, which just maintains a set speed, adaptive cruise control uses sensors to adjust your speed based on the traffic ahead. If the car in front of you slows down, your car will automatically slow down too. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, and it makes long drives so much less stressful. Secret 7. Stability control. And here's one more feature that's worth its weight in gold. Stability control. If your car starts to skid or slide, the system kicks in to help you regain control. It applies the brakes to individual wheels and adjusts the engine power to keep you on track. It's one of those features you hope you'll never need, but when you do, you'll be glad it's there. Secret 8. Hidden storage compartments. Now, let's talk about something a little more fun. Hidden storage compartments. Many cars have secret spots where you can stash valuables or keep things organized. For example, some cars have compartments under the seats, behind the dashboard, or even in the floor. These are perfect for keeping things like sunglasses, spare change, or even your phone out of sight but within reach. Secret 9. Adjustable headrests. Did you know your headrest is more than just a place to rest your head? It's actually a key safety feature. In a rear-end collision, the headrest helps prevent whiplash by supporting your head and neck. But here's the kicker. Most headrests are adjustable, and many people don't realize it. Make sure yours is positioned so that the top of the headrest is level with the top of your head for maximum protection. Secret 10. Anti-stall technology. If you drive a manual car, you'll love this one. Anti-stall technology. This feature automatically applies a small amount of throttle when you're releasing the clutch, making it almost impossible to stall. It's especially helpful on hills or in stop-and-go traffic. If you've ever struggled with stalling, this feature is a game changer. Secret 11. Heads-up display. Ever wished you could see your speed or navigation directions without looking away from the road? That's where the heads-up display comes in. This feature projects important information onto your windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road while still staying informed. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's incredibly useful. Secret 12. Backseat Reminders. For parents, this one's a lifesaver. Backseat Reminders. If you open a rear door before starting your car, the system will remind you to check the back seat when you turn off the engine. It's a simple feature, but it can help prevent tragic mistakes like accidentally leaving a child or pet in the car. Secret 13. Conversation Mirrors. If you've ever driven with kids in the back seat, you know how distracting it can be to turn around and check on them. That's where the conversation mirror comes in. This small convex mirror, usually located near the rearview mirror, gives you a clear view of the back seat so you can keep an eye on your passengers without taking your eyes off the road. Secret 14. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Underinflated tires can be dangerous and expensive. That's why most modern cars come equipped with a Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. This system alerts you when your tire pressure is low, so you can address the issue before it becomes a problem. It's a small feature, but it can save you a lot of hassle and money in the long run. Secret 15. Blind spot monitoring. Changing lanes on a busy highway can be nerve-wracking, especially if you're not sure what's in your blind spot. That's where blind spot monitoring comes in. The system uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spot and alerts you with a warning light or sound. It's a simple feature, but it can make lane changes much safer and less stressful. Secret 16. Motion Parallax. Have you ever noticed how objects outside your car seem to move at different speeds as you drive? This phenomenon, called motion parallax, is actually a helpful tool for judging distances and speeds. Closer objects, like trees or poles, appear to move quickly, while distant objects, like mountains, seem to move more slowly. It's a subtle effect, but it can help you stay aware of your surroundings while driving. Secret 17. Smartphone Integration. If your car has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you're in for a treat. These systems allow you to connect your phone to your car's infotainment system, giving you access to navigation, music, and more, all without taking your hands off the wheel. It's a great way to stay connected while staying safe on the road. Secret 18. Seat belt safety features. Seat belts are one of the most important safety features in your car, but did you know they're also packed with advanced technology? Many seat belts now come with features like pretensioners, which tighten the belt during a crash, and force limiters, which reduce the pressure on your chest. These features work together to keep you safe in the event of an accident. Secret 19. Stability Control. We've already touched on stability control, but it's worth mentioning again. This system is a lifesaver when it comes to maintaining control of your car in slippery or unpredictable conditions. If your car starts to skid, Stability Control will automatically apply the brakes to individual wheels and adjust the engine power to help you regain control. Your car is packed with hidden features designed to make driving safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Now that you know some of its best-kept secrets, you can drive smarter and with more confidence. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and driving hacks. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.